Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for team design collaboration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website at www.canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be presented with several options to sign up. You can choose to register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you decide to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password that meets Canva's requirements. After entering your password, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. If you choose to sign up with Google or Facebook, click on the corresponding button. Follow the prompts to log in with your chosen account. After successfully signing up, you may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox and look for a verification email from Canva. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Canva website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will see the Canva dashboard. To set up a team for design collaboration, look for the team option on the left sidebar. Click on the Team option to access team settings. Now, select the Create a Team button to initiate a new team setup. Enter a name for your team in the designated field. You can also add a description to help clarify the team's purpose. To invite team members, click on the Invite Members button. Enter the email addresses of your team members in the provided field. You can adjust the permissions for each member as needed. Once you've added all team members, click on the Send Invites button. Your team members will receive an invitation to join the Canva team. After they accept the invitation, they will have access to collaborate with you. As the team owner, you can manage settings and add or remove members at any time. Explore the various design templates and tools available in Canva to start collaborating effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.